By the way, I'm going to record our lesson. Leila, how are you? Are you good?
Thank you, teacher. Thank you.
I am also fine. Thanks for asking about me. How was your holiday? Was it enjoyable or not? Did you enjoy? What did you do? Leila. Did you enjoy your holiday or not?
I enjoy holiday. It is very
very enjoyable. You did a lot of things, amazing things. Okay, you study your lessons and also you did interesting things, maybe. Okay, Leila, our topic is have a better environment. I have a question. What do you do for your world, actually? What do you do? For example, what do you do for making your world a very beautiful place? Leila, you have to turn on your microphone because we can't hear you.
You can repeat.
You can defeat. Okay. In which way we can defeat our world?
Aynen eşitmemiştim.
Sorry, please, if you don't hear, say, teacher, I didn't hear. Okay, I can't hear. I have a question. How can we help our world to become better place? You don't have any idea. That's great. You don't have any idea. Okay, I don't know why. Gilay, Leila doesn't share her ideas. I don't know why. Maybe you can say, what do you think? Do you think cars should be banned from city center? What do you think? Gilay is here. Yes.
Yes.
What do you think?
Smoking from machines, factories, dumping of garbage into the seas and oceans, use of aerosols, littering of the environment. Such problems harm the environment.
Okay, thank you. You think that cars fumes are so dangerous for our environment. What do you think? For example, in Sheki, okay, in Sheki, do you think that people drive less cars? Okay, for example, they say that you don't allow cars in the city center. Maybe you can drive your cars countryside, not in the city center. What do you think? Is it a good idea or not?
Not.
You think that we or government shouldn't ban the cars, maybe. Okay, let's go. Recycles newspaper. Leila, can you hear us? Leila, can you hear us? Okay, what do you think? People should recycle newspaper, and why or why not? What do you think?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay, why you say maybe? Why is it so important recycle newspaper? Why?
By reducing waste.
Yes, yes. It helps us reducing waste. Yes, great idea. For example, you can see a lot of rubbish, or maybe we can say garbage together. Maybe we can collect them and recycle them again. Yes, maybe. Thank you. So, students, do you see here? Actually, yes, yes.
I think it's important this for the trees.
Yes, yes. Also, yeah, we can defeat, yes, we can save actually our trees for cutting. And do you see that? First of all, the papers comes from the tree and they enter in the such kind of circle. Do you see that? After paper making machine, look at here, paper for recycling. Yes, paper for recycling. For example, newspapers, we can recycling them, okay? And here, collection the paper. Again, we make it a pulp. Do you know what is pulp? Or you don't have any idea what is pulp actually? Anyone, do you know it? Or do you want to learn what is pulp actually? Huh? Do you have idea, Mahbuba? Maybe if you don't have idea what is pulp, we can look through it together. Actually, you can see that how we get the paper from our trees and also recycling. Yes, recycling circle you also see here. Let's see what is pulp. Students, pulp actually it is also paper, but what kind of paper? A mixture of old paper, okay? There are also maybe plant fibers or wood mix it with water, okay? Until they form a very soft. Do you see that? This is soft, wet mass. We use it for making paper, okay? Use it for making paper. We add the water, we add old paper, and we make it a pulp. And then they, how can I say, combine them and make it next step, new paper. This is very interesting. I think you learn new word. What is yes, yes. Okay. So, Mahbuba, do you see that? What is it? What is this picture is about? What's your idea?
Drum and yarn.
Actually, what?
Paper dress.
Look like clothing.
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, they changed old newspapers to a new, yes, to a new dress. And what about Leila? Can you wear like this dress? Can you wear? Huh?
Yes, yes.
Really? You can wear. Interesting. Oh, actually, I don't think about wearing a dress like, how can I say, making from the newspaper. It is very interesting. Okay, And what about this picture?
Yeah.
This is yes, yes. And also they make a vase, yes, vase from the newspaper. Gulay, did you make any vase in your childhood from a newspaper? Or you don't have any skill or idea about it? Did you?
Maybe.
Maybe you did it, maybe or not. You didn't remember.
Yes.
You remember or you didn't. Okay, I don't understand. I didn't get the point. You made it or you didn't make it in your childhood?
Didn't make.
Sorry, I can't hear. Gulay, don't worry. You can speak. You can share your ideas. Okay, don't hesitate. And also other student, we have here Hadija. Yes, Murat is also here. I think July doesn't say anything. Okay, maybe we can go to the next page. Yes, Aishu or Aison or Mahbuba, any of you. What do you think? How has the life, how has our world changed since 1919s and till today? Yes, Mahbuba, what can you say about it? What's your idea?
I think nothing.
You think nothing changed. What about environmental problems? What about environmental problems, huh?
By reducing waste.
What do you think about in Azerbaijan or other countries? We have loss of maybe water, shortage of water, huh? What do you think, Khadija, Murat?
I want Ranger cars.
Maybe in 1990s there are more trees, but now we can't find a lot of trees around us. Yes, because of deforestations, people cut down many trees for using furniture or other things, or for maybe for making paper. Or what else? What can you add? What can you add? Maybe you have ideas. Yes? Murat wrote it. Yes, Murat, yes. The places became
Environment.
yes, dry lands. We have a lot of dry lands, and also we saw that, for example, in Istanbul, in which I forgot the lake's name. They became they became dry. They lose their water. okay? And this is also so harmful for the animals which live in the this place, okay? For example, a lot of fish lose their babies because they just only left inside the mud, okay? Not in the ocean, okay? Not in the sea. Okay, I don't know, maybe you can talk a lot about it, but I think you can't remember. Okay, this is very famous, and also maybe it is very a big problem in Azerbaijan, or I don't know, maybe in Turkey. How often, what do you think? How often is garbage collected in your city? What can you say? How often?
Often.
Were collected.
Sorry? How often is garbage collected? For example, the people come and take your garbage. For example, once a week or once a month, or I don't know, maybe 3 times a week or 3 times a month. In Turkey, is it problem or not? What can you say about it? Gulay, maybe you can talk about it.
Often garbage.
They often come and collect your garbage, but actually I don't say often, because once a week. Actually, the people comes, for example, in this place once a week. They come and take only once a week. It means that 4 times a month. Okay, it is 4 times a month. I think this isn't often. What about other places? What about other places? For example, in Baku or in other cities? Yes, Gülay, do you have any idea? Do you have an idea? Or Leila, Mahbuba. I can't hear Mahbuba's and Leila's voice. If they want to talk, they can talk. I think they don't have any idea about it. Okay, let's continue. Yes, Gulay.
Throwing waste
Mm-hmm.
in the trash.
Okay, yes, actually the people throw their trash in the garbage. And also some people, actually the workers, come and take your trash, yes, or come and take your garbage from trash bin, okay? Yes, my
I
next
think
question.
serious cleaning work should be done.
Okay, thank you so much. Student, what do you think? What are some things can be recycled? What can we recycle? What materials, what products we can recycle? What do you think?
Recycle is a process that makes it possible to create new products.
Okay, thank you. But what can we recycle? What can we recycle? What material or what products?
We have aluminum, glass, plastic.
Yes, maybe. Let's see what can be recycled. Yes, I agree with you. You are correct. Let's see, newspaper, magazines, aluminium. Yes, aluminium cans, aluminium foil, glass bottles and jars. Maybe plastic bottle, you said yes. Thank you so much. Or maybe some cartons, we can say juice or milk cartons. But what about what can't we, for example, change? What can we change, or what can't be recycled? Light bulbs, batteries. Do you see that we can change it? Light bulbs, that is became the waste. Batteries, green waste. Green waste, it's also decompose. Plastic bags. This is the, how can I say, the baddest thing. Yes, the worst thing. The worst thing in the world. Household waste is also we can't recycle. Okay, next one, mixed paper, cardboard, metal, rigid plastic. Do you know what is rigid? Do you have an idea? What is rigid? You don't know? Okay, rigid, it means that hard, solid, okay? Not firm. It is very hard, hard plastic. You see that? This plastic are very hard, not firm. Glass and cartoons. Okay, let's go. Next questions. Layla, Mahbuba, Murad, maybe you can say your ideas. What are some types of pollution? What types of pollution you know?
Very
Yes. Pollution rate. What else? Okay, what else? Just
Waste.
Water pollution. Yes. Yeah, Mahbuba, do you have an idea?
Plastic pollution.
Plastic pollution. That's great. Okay, let's see what kind of pollution I found it. Yes, you say air pollution. I agree with you. Water pollution. Yes, again, I agree with you. Soil pollution. What is soil pollution? Who can tell me? What do you know about soil pollution?
Instances of harmful pollution in the air.
Yes, maybe.
Substances with
Yes.
the imagery of surroundings.
Yes, thank you. Yes, actually, people throw their garbage, okay, outside, and this is very harmful for our land, yes, for our soul. Thank you so much. Last one, it is very interesting. Maybe you don't know about it. Okay, you can imagine or you can share your ideas. What is noise pollution? What is noise pollution? Do you see the honk, honk, honk? Okay, let me explain if you don't know. For example, if you are in traffic, okay, you can hear a lot of signals, okay, and it means that you have noise pollution, or maybe your neighborhoods or your neighbors, they play piano or they put music so loud in a loud voice, they play it, and it is also noise pollution. Okay, let's go. Our next very interesting and very helpful slide. Okay, and also I have question. What are some ways that you can reduce pollution in your country, maybe in the world? What ways do you know? Who can tell me? What can we do? What can we do? Reduce
I
our
think no.
pollution. Yes.
We can't make it.
We can't.
Yeah.
We can't. I can't hear. After we can't. What did you say?
Plant trees. Can
Okay. We can plant trees. Okay. Okay. What else?
We can protect our nature by reducing
Yes, thank you. Maybe we can reduce something. Yes, we can reduce something. What about we can reduce water or we can reduce our things? Yes, using things, and we can maybe make a change. Okay, let's go. How can we reduce pollution? Maybe we can reduce pollution not using cars. Maybe we can use bicycle, or maybe we can use our just only food. We can, yes, go someplace on foot. Or maybe we can use solar system instead of the fuel. For example, our cars, buses, or other things use it with a burning fuels. But maybe we can produce light from the solar, yes, solar system from the sun. It can be very helpful for our reducing pollution. Or you say it, thank you so much, we can plant some trees so they can give us a lot of oxygen, yeah, and we can take maybe the good oxygen and just only the exhale, okay, exhale carbon dioxide, yes. Thank you so much. And stop pollution. What can you say? In which way we can stop pollution? Huh? Or we can prevent. We can prevent pollution. Yeah. Actually, we
Reduce
stop.
pollution, reduce
You said that we reduce pollution. Okay, we can reduce pollution. Okay. Ways to stop pollution. For example, we talk about it using public transportation, walk or ride or bike. Maybe avoid smoking. This is very good point. Avoid smoking. Recycle paper, plastic, glass bottles. This is also a good way. For example, we don't cut again many trees because we have recycled paper, okay? Or maybe we don't reduce, again, we don't produce plastics because we have reducing plastics. Okay, last one, what do you think? Unplug anything things that isn't being used. This is very important point because, for example, if you don't watch TV or if you don't use your computer, you have to unplug them, okay? You have to turn off. It is good way for stopping pollution, okay? And also it is good way reducing energy. Students, what do you think? People, individual people, or the government has to care about the pollution. Which one? Individual people or government? Which one has to care about our pollution?
yes.
Okay, which one? For example, as Gulai has to care about the pollution, or Azerbaijan Republic, will? The Azerbaijan Republic. Which? Yes, Mahbuba. Mahbuba, I can't hear your voice. Can you speak again?
Government.
Government. Okay, what do you think, Mahbuba? You just only think about the government and you do nothing. Is it also great? Is it also okay? For example, just only government take care of our environment, but for example, Mahbuba can throw her rubbish everywhere and just only eat something and don't care about the environment. Is it good? Is it okay for you?
Yes.
Really? but you live in the environment. You also have to care your country, your city. Okay, we don't just only expect from the government to do something. Yes, Gulay, what do you think? We also have to care. Yes, we also have to care our environment because this is our home. Yes, we just only live on the world. I think both of them are important. Both of them have to care our environment. So last question, what is the most important issue facing the environment? What is our most problem in our environment? I think Murat's writing something. Okay, Mahbuba.
Yes, very pollution.
Pollution. You think that pollution is our environmental most problem? Let's see. Maybe pollution and its many forms. Yes, thank you so much. You say that global warming. Yes, is a high temperature. Yeah, high temperature is so important because everywhere we can see the temperature are changeable because in some places it is very high, in some places it is very cold. Shortage in natural resources. For example, in some places we can't find metal or different kinds of fuel or other things. And destructions of wildlife. For example, we can see a lot of animals. Yes, we can't find their babies or any other things in the nature. Yes, people kill them. For that reason, we just only see destruction of wildlife, or it can be about destruction of the forest, destruction of our places, and also the growth of population. We have a lot of people. Yes, a lot of people around the world. It is also a biggest problem. Yes, because people have a lot of rubbish, they can throw it anywhere, or maybe they don't find for living. Yes, because our numbers, our growth are getting higher day by day. Okay, and last one, let's save our planet Earth because we just only have one planet for living. Thank you so much. Next time, I hope you became so active. Okay, all of you, I want you, all of you be active in speaking lessons and listen every question very carefully and don't hesitate sharing your ideas. Okay, your ideas are so important for me. For that reason, never afraid of sharing your ideas, your thoughts. Don't worry about grammatical problems. Don't worry about other things. Just only share your ideas. Okay, thank you so much. Next time we can meet you again. Thank you so much. Let's say bye.